Welcome to Momentum Software Solutions. This is a short demonstration on Momentum Asset Advantage. Asset Advantage offers a number of enhanced features which can be enabled to automate relationships between assets, jobs, serviceable units, and job cost resources as desired. The application is launched from Job Costing, Transactions, Momentum Asset Advantage. There are 5 main features available. Asset Serviceable Units integration creates several extra fields on the Fixed Assets screen. Populating these fields will create a partner serviceable unit for the fixed asset. For example, in the Nissan fixed asset, I have selected to make this a serviceable unit and filled in other extra fields. Opening up serviceable units in job costing, we can see that a serviceable unit has been created for the fixed asset. Serviceable Units Job Cost Resource integration adds extra fields to the Serviceable Units screen. When the serviceable unit is marked as a job resource will be created for the serviceable unit. For example, in the Nissan serviceable unit, if I tick job resource, fill in a short code, and select a stock code, and then open up job resources in job costing, we can see that a job resource was created for the serviceable unit. Job Cost Resource Schedule Serviceable Units integration will mean that when a job cost resource that is also a serviceable unit is scheduled on a job, the serviceable unit will also be linked to the job so that it appears in the Serviceable Units tab on the job screen. For example, in this job, we can see that there are currently no serviceable units assigned to the job. Going to Resource Allocations, we can allocate the Nissan job resource to the job. Saving and exiting, and reopening, the serviceable unit now appears in the Serviceable Units tab. Serial Tracked Item Serviceable Units integration will create a serviceable unit when a serial tracked stock item that is marked as a serviceable unit is invoiced out. For example, the stock item Engine 20 is a serial tracked item. It has also been marked as a serviceable unit. We will now create an invoice for Engine 20. Opening up serviceable units in job costing, we can see that a serviceable unit has been created for Engine 20. Serviceable Units Job Cost Service integration adds an extra field on the Job Cost Details screen, where you can indicate which service is being performed on a job. This allows us to determine whether a schedule has been carried out or is busy being carried out. This provides better ability to provide feedback on service schedules within the Momentum Serviceable Units Due for Service dashboard. This new dashboard is created by Asset Advantage and is available in the Widgets list. It provides parameters to filter what is shown. For example, this dashboard is showing all services due within 10% of their usage in kilometers, or due within 7 days. Overdue services are excluded. Back in the setup screen, the service job type is also specified. After all the setup has been completed, launching Asset Advantage will now show a usage screen instead of the setup screen. This usage screen can be accessed from the same transactions menu in Job Costing, or from buttons within a job or serviceable unit. When launched from a job or serviceable unit, the job or serviceable unit filter will automatically be applied. You can apply filters for serviceable unit, account, and job. If preferred, you can use the alternative filter options of a make, model, class, and usage reading in the second tab. For example, for this job, I'm going to add in a usage reading for the Nissan of 150 kilometers. Please note that it will not allow you to enter in a usage reading lower than the last reading. The serviceable unit being entered also needs to first be assigned to the job. In the serviceable unit, the usage is updated with the new entry. Thank you for watching this short demonstration on Momentum Asset Advantage.